Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mama's channel! Ayan! Oh my god! And for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I did this look. Ayan! This is the look that I did in my 5 elements, and this one is the space! And if you got any suggestions at all, I'm gonna start doing makeup tutorials or tutorials on how I did my props, especially the hot glues headpieces, and I'm gonna show you from start to finish. So, more about this look. This is inspired by marble paintings. You see in other trending videos that they like stones in marble painting with lots of textures. I did that in this look, and I chose yellow and blue because I think it's gonna look really good as a space element. Ayan! Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Oh my god. See you soon again. Please keep watching, Mama. I love you all. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next time.